So when Ram brought the TRX back, most people focused on the big headline, 777 horsepower. The SRT badge, game over. But there's a moment at the end of the reveal video that I can't stop thinking about because it doesn't look like an off-road truck at all the more and more I keep looking at it. At the very end of the TRX video, Ram flashes a quick teaser image. And if you pause it and really look at it, a few things start standing out. The wheels look more like street wheels, the front bumper looks lower, the grille looks a little different, and the truck doesn't look lifted like a normal TRX. It looks planted, almost like Ram is hinting at something they just don't want to explain yet. And here's why I don't think this is random. Ram has already experimented with street trucks recently. Last year, Ram's direct connection team partnered with Fox Factory Vehicles to build a lowered Ram 1500 street truck. That truck used a supercharged 5.7 Hemi. It made 650 horsepower and sat much lower than stock, and clearly built for the streets, not trails. This wasn't one of those fantasy builds. It was Ram testing the idea of a modern muscle truck. And if it wasn't enough, Ram doubled down at SEMA. They showed off the Ram Dude concept. Lowered stance, street wheels, aggressive bodywork. Again, not lifted, not off-road focused. That's two very clear signals that Ram is at least thinking about street performance trucks. Now layer this on top of the TRX coming back with an SRT badge. That matters. SRT doesn't exist just to build off-road toys. It was built around street performance. Challengers, chargers, track-focused power. So when Ram brings back SRT and then teases an image that looks lower and more aggressive, it raises a real question. What if TRX isn't the only SRT truck coming? I'm not saying Ram confirmed anything, but imagine this. A TRX powertrain, 777 horsepower, lower center of gravity, street suspension, and wide tires. Same attitude, different mission. Not a replacement for the off-road TRX, but a second option. An off-road monster and a pavement monster. And honestly, it would make a lot of sense. Not everybody lives near dunes or trails. A lot of people live in cities, highways, warm climates. Ford already sells a street-leaning performance truck. Ram knows the muscle truck crowd exists, and Ram knows how to build engines that scare people. Even if this never becomes a production truck, that teaser, it did its job. It got people talking, it got people speculating, and it reminded everybody that Ram is thinking bigger than just lifted trucks. They're thinking performance again. So maybe this teaser is nothing, or maybe Ram is setting the stage for something we haven't seen in a long time, a true modern muscle truck. If Ram built a street-focused TRX, would you want it, or would you stick with the off-road version? Let me know what you think. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.